Tired of straining your eyes on tiny Gmail text? Change the font size in under 30 seconds with this simple trick. First, I'll show you how to access the font settings. Then, you'll pick your perfect size and send your email. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage in your browser. Then, click the Compose button to open a new email window. Type your message into the body of the email, then highlight the text you want to resize. Now click the Font Size drop-down menu in the Formatting toolbar. It usually displays Normal by default. From the drop-down, select your preferred font size. You can choose from Small, Normal, Large, or Huge. Once you've set the font size, continue composing your email and click Send when you're finished. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.